Hello, everybody. Welcome to Entheogenic Esquire podcast YouTube channel. I just got done with the live talking about defamation law. This is in regards to the cease and desist letters that Tpusa sent out this week. As an attorney, I saw a few different aspects or fundamental notions of defamation law that I felt the community might benefit from knowing. This is not legal advice. This is just simply my opinion. I'm an attorney who has dealt with several different defamation cases, so I'm going to speak generally about defamation law, but please understand that it does vary state by state. So first, anti-SLAPP statutes. These are statutes, and if we remember to Baron Coleman's podcast the other night, he talked about the letter to Wolves in Finance was not appropriate notice. So SLAPP statutes require, before you can be sued, generally, that you receive very detailed notice about the alleged defamatory statements and that you be given 30 to 60 days to cure, retract, correct, apologize, whatever that might be, before the other party can sue and or before they can sue and collect damages. So please be aware of that. 2, Republisher liability. Please understand that when an individual republishes, for instance, sharing a post or reiterating or restating what someone else has said, when you republish a defamatory statement or comment, you can be held just as liable as the original publisher. So please be aware, just because a defamatory statement did not originate with you does not mean you cannot be held accountable on it, okay? Next, what is an actual statement in defamation? Please understand that there is no fact versus opinion dichotomy, meaning that you cannot hide behind using the words, "this is my opinion." If a statement either directly states or implies some objectively verifiable fact and it's defamatory and it refers to a person, then it is actionable. The statement, "I believe," or "it is my opinion, Jones is a liar," implies underlying facts that indicate Jones is a liar. That statement could potentially be actionable. So please understand that. Next, when we're talking about Tpusa as a nonprofit and issues related to its legal or financial compliance are considered matters of public concern. This is my opinion as an attorney. I think issues related to Tpusa and its legal or financial compliance are matters of public concern. We'll talk about why that matters in just a second. Furthermore, I think, my opinion, that Tpusa is what is called a limited purpose public figure for the subject matter pertaining to, again, its legal and financial compliance. It has come out into the public and attempted to sway the narrative or public opinion on these issues. And so with that being said, and it's a nonprofit and we subsidize nonprofits, and so this is going to be, Tpusa, in my opinion, a limited purpose public figure. Issues related to it are going to be matters of public concern. Why does that matter? Under defamation law, when we're talking about a plaintiff who is a limited purpose public figure, when we're talking about issues that are matters of public concern, Tpusa, just like all other limited purpose public figure plaintiffs talking about a matter of public concern, must prove that the defendant, the person who made the defamatory comment in our recent example, Wolves in Finance, acted with actual malice, not just negligence. Okay? What does that mean? When courts assess actual malice, they look at the defendant's attitude towards the truth. So actual malice is either publishing something that you know is false or entertaining, having reckless disregard for the truth, meaning that you entertain serious doubts as to the truth of the statements that you're publishing, yet you publish them anyways. Those two instances would qualify as actual malice. It is my opinion that in most cases, Tpusa would have to prove actual malice with regards to potentially defamatory comments allegedly made about it. That is my very brief breakdown and summary of my recently interrupted live stream due to the weather and the internet, so I hope this helps. Let me know your comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers just as soon as possible. I appreciate and love all the support I've got so far. Please help. We love you. Have a great weekend. Stay safe from the weather. Peace.